So my new coilovers for me, for the Gs300 came in, and they're Blitz ZZRs. They're actually from Japan. They came off an Aristo. I was hoping to put these like directly on the car, but one of the coils is somehow broken. I'm guessing they smashed something and broke it, but these are the same springs that are on pretty much everything. They're just 10 kgs on the front and 8 on the rear. So I'm just gonna order some and get some new ones put on, but for now I'm just gonna get them cleaned up real good. Pretty much cover all the threads after my new springs get here. But I'm gonna get these all the way taken apart and cleaned up right now. So here are the coilovers all taken apart. Here's the fronts. They're the ones getting the new springs. They're a little discolored because they were rusty, but I assure you all the threads are clean. I ran the collars up and down on them. Here's the rears. I got them done. And I will be reusing the old springs for a little while. I know they're rusty, but I just don't really want to buy 2 sets of springs right now, or 2 pairs really. So I just got new front ones coming, and I'm going to replace the rear ones whenever I replace all of them over to Swift springs, which are going to be probably 12 kg all the way around, depending on how it rides on these. I might up the kgs to like 16 in the front and 12 in the rear. I know a lot of GS guys run some pretty high spring rates, but I don't plan on slamming this thing into the ground. I just plan on making it low and drive better, because just factory is fucking horrible anyway compared to a good coilover system. So with these, all the dampening they have, they're gonna be pretty legit. I mean, you can see they're real Blitz, and it's their production date. All of them are the same. And I'll do a little installation video on these whenever the springs get here. I might go ahead and put the rears on and get them kind of where I want them. And then whenever the fronts get here, I'll just adjust them too. So, and then get the car aligned, and hopefully all my fenders and shit fit right, and I don't have to roll the fenders or pull the lips in too much. But I'm pumped. So I think Monday or Tuesday the springs will be here, and then I'll be good to go on this. But yeah. And we put a new wastegate on the BMW. The on 3, it lost a piece of hardware somehow, and it started trying to push the diaphragm out, and now the actual valve in there is pretty seized up. And this is the bigger spring that they offer. I think it's a 13-pound. So now there's a Precision, the same that's on my 240, the 46 millimeter V-band, and it has a 15, I think, and a half pound spring in it. It's got 2 springs put together. I think it equals 15 and a half. And then it's turned up to 19 pounds right now, which should, God, it's so dirty in here. It should honestly be up around high 5s, 600, if not with the turbo limiting factor. You know, the turbo isn't giant. It is a okay size turbo, but it's not big by any means. Like, it's the same size as one of my 240, really. So it's just something to go off of. And I guess we are gonna upgrade the turbo and possibly go manual trans in the car. So, but yeah, I'll add a little clip in the end of how it's running now. And it's about to get retuned to a new setup that no one has, so we can't really talk about that. But yeah, it's gonna be dope.